Now, if your sewing machine stitch length regulator is so loose like this, it can make your sewing machine not to function properly. I mean, it can make your sewing machine not to be able to stitch and make your fabric not to move for proper stitch. Now, this is caused because there is a screw at the side of the sewing machine. So after the balance wheel, there's a screw right here that is loose. Because the screw is loose, that is why the stitch length regulator is loose like this. So when it is loose like this, it can lead to machine jamming. That is your balance wheel starting to rub the screw that holds this stitch length regulator, and at the same time it can also cause your fabric not to move. So for your sewing machine to be able to sew perfectly without faults and clean and neat stitches, you have to make sure that the stitch length regulator is fixed. And you simply fix it screwing the by tightening the screw that holds it. Okay, now let's do this right here. Now that is the screw that is holding the balance wheel. Okay, as you can see, as I turn the balance wheel, you can see that there is a rod that is rubbing on the face of the screw, and it is rubbing because the screw is loose. Okay, all you have to do is pick up a screwdriver and then make sure you tighten this very screw right here so that the stitch regulator, the stitch length regulator can be back on track, and for your sewing machine to be back on track. Right? Now watch me do this right here. Now using the screwdriver, I'm just going to tighten the screw. Alright? And I don't want to take out this balance, so I'm just going to slide it right in from an angle right here. I'm trying to expose the screw so that I can go in with the screwdriver to tighten it. As you can see, I'm trying to move very hard. The balance wheel is still, that is machine jamming because the screw right here is loose. Okay, so I just forced it. Okay, now okay, the screw is exposed. I'm about to tighten the screw right here. Okay, so after tightening the screw, then you find out that the stitch length regulator is now very hard. I can no longer toggle from back to forward stitch like I used to. Nice. I have to apply energy for me to be able to toggle to reset, back stitch, forward stitch. Okay, as you can see, it is no longer bouncing back and forth. I have to apply energy to toggle this. Okay, now let's see if our fabric is moving now and see if we're good or not.